Short YouTube videos have become very popular, and their efficacy has been widely lauded. Like me, you feel that YouTube Shorts have a lot of promise, but you're too lazy to shoot them and don't know what to film since you're not creative enough. In order to demonstrate how to create money from YouTube films without having to shoot them or plaster adverts all over the place, I'll show you how today. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Shorts, for those of you who are unfamiliar with the term, are videos that are similar to those seen on TikTok or Instagram. For marketing purposes, you may leverage the hashtag shorts, which have gained popularity on YouTube in recent months and are now deemed an algorithm defect or by some. To begin, you will need to choose the ideal shorts, and you will also need to consider the specific area you want to specialize in. There are a variety of niches to choose from, such as entertainment, weight reduction, and fitness. But I recommend concentrating on entertainment since films in this genre have the potential to become viral rapidly. Let's focus on adorable creatures for the remainder of this class. Don't be concerned, you will not be required to record your cat or any other animal. It's possible that you won't even need to record anything since I'll show you an easy method for getting those shorts done for free. In the end, you can just type in beautiful animals and filter your results by Creative Commons to make sure that only videos that aren't copyrighted show up on your search results page, which you can then upload. However, they are not vertical shorts and are just 5 to 10 minutes in length. Allow me to explain in detail what has to be done in order for this to be successful. For the time being, just select a video that you feel has the potential to become viral and store it. In addition, since it's licensed under a Creative Commons license, I may decide to re-upload it to my YouTube channel, where it might potentially get 1 million views. Copy the video URL by clicking on the share button and search for YouTube to MP4 on Google to be able to download the video in its original format. As soon as you've downloaded the video, you'll need to cut it up into small segments. This will require the use of specialized video editing software, which will be required to be purchased separately. Rather than doing so, I found a fully free and really straightforward alternative. Simply go to canva.com and register for free in under 30 seconds to begin using the service. You may sign up for free, and they do offer different pricing levels, but you are under no obligation to buy anything or pay anything. This service is absolutely free and does not demand any financial commitment. They provide themes for Instagram posts, Instagram stories, logos, and a variety of other things. However, you merely want to choose their video choice at this time. Now, choose Mobile Video from the drop-down menu. It will send you to this editor since we produce YouTube Shorts. Therefore, we will select it. The next step is to click on the Uploads icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Go to Videos, click on Upload Media, and then upload the Creative Commons video that you just obtained from YouTube.com to your website. Step 3. You'd want to resize the video at this point. Remove any dark bars that may be present, then crop the image accordingly. Any vacant area may be simply filled up with a color that complements the video's overall theme. We can change the color to whatever hue you choose, including black, gray, red, pink, and blue. In addition, we will fill in the blank spots with information that can assist you in generating income in the future. As a result, please allow more space at the top and bottom of this video. Our shorts can't be more than 5 minutes in length. As a result, you'll have to cut this video down as well. Make a decision on the most interesting portion that you feel will draw the most attention. Locate that portion of the video and click on it to cut it. I don't think I'll have to explain myself anymore since you're all quite intelligent. Because you will not be making money from advertisements, you will need to include some text at the beginning and end of your film. As a result, you must develop a call to action that encourages users to click on your links. And I'll tell you the URLs you need to use in order for this to function. In such a case, you may choose any of the fonts that are displayed on this page and type something like "click on link" in description. You can now add extra items and stickers to your order if you want. The only thing that limits you is your imagination. So go all out and make it as enticing as possible. Now that your lovely little film is finished, you may save it to your computer. After that, we'll upload it to YouTube and optimize it for viewing. Navigate to your YouTube channel and choose the file you want to post. You may now give it a catchy title that corresponds to your video. For better optimization, it is important to add the hashtag #shorts in the title and to copy and paste the title short description of this video. including all of the keywords, will be typed as well, in the hopes of attracting the correct individuals who are interested in viewing these films and those who are more likely to click on this sort of video to my website. Use a good thumbnail from inside your short film as your next step. We've finished optimizing it and it's ready to be uploaded to our YouTube account. Return to the video just before publication and add some links to the description so that you may monetize this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel at the bottom of this page if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to click the bell to get alerts when new videos are uploaded. Any offer from ClickBank, Warriors Plus, JVZoo, or a CP link from OfferWalls, CPA Lead, or Max Bounty, as well as any other affiliate program, may now be offered in the video description. Because you created a call to action using Canva, you are free to promote anything you want in the description of those videos. However, I would like to provide print-on-demand services leveraging shorts, as I feel this would perform the best in this particular market area. Teespring will be my destination for this. In addition, there is Teespring.com. In this print-on-demand business, you may upload your design and sell a variety of goods for free. They simply take a part of the proceeds. If you sell a $20 t-shirt, they will take around $10 from your sale. You merely need to submit your design and provide a link to it in the description of your YouTube videos, which is all there is to it. Following your registration, you'll be instructed to discover what Teespring is capable of selling. You may sell a variety of items, including digital items, t-shirts, leggings, pillows, towels, posters, stickers, backpacks, and hats, among other things. Teespring.com enables you to design a number of goods, but I'm going to stick with a simple male t-shirt for this tutorial, just to give you an idea of how simple it is. You may now create anything you want, including tags, and even upload a photo. Canva can assist you in creating a simple design that you can then submit to Teespring.com. Take 10 or 15 minutes to design something beautiful that others would be interested in purchasing and wearing, and then publish it on the internet. This means that you don't even need to ship anything, maintain inventory, or print anything. All you have to do is develop this design and provide the URL in the description. That's all there is to it. Each sale earns you $10, and you may increase this amount by increasing the price to something more expensive, such as $28. The profit is $12. But if I sell 10 t-shirts at $26.99 each, the total profit is $100. If I sell 1,000 t-shirts, I will earn $10,000, and so on and so forth. As a result, you can now apply the same design to all of these different products with a single click. But I'll start with a shirt that's a little more simple. You may copy the link that directs people to this store where they can purchase this t-shirt and put it into our descriptions to make it more visible. Due to the fact that having a larger number of things equals more sales, don't limit yourself to just one t-shirt and put a bit more effort into the design. Finally, here's a bonus tip. Using a bit.ly to shorten your URL is entirely optional, but highly recommended. Shorten your URL by going to bit.ly.com and pasting it in the shortening box. I can now copy this URL and paste it into my descriptions in order to optimize my profit margins. Finally, we have the ability to post this video. Again, the greater the number of them that are posted, the better. The greater the number of items you produce and the greater the number of transactions you advertise, the greater your chances of selling. There is a possibility that a short selected by the algorithm will obtain a large number of views. As a result of those views, you stand to make far more money than if you merely aired adverts during those videos. Because shorts have such a low cost per 1,000 impressions, or CPM, advertising on them will not generate much revenue. Instead of earning 5 cents for every 1,000 views, if 10 people buy the t-shirt for $10, you receive $100 instead of 5 cents per 1,000 views. So don't be a couch potato. Instead, go out there and do something, taking advantage of YouTube Shorts while they're still available. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. And while you're here, click to watch one of these 2 videos appearing on your screen right now. I will see you there. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.